In this video, I will share with you how to add new navigation menus in Hostinger website builder. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then click on websites and select websites list. Click on your website. Next to your website, click on edit website button. This is my navigation menu right now, and first I will delete these new empty page menus. To do that, just go to pages and navigation from this left side menu, and this is my visible navigation options or elements. To delete a menu, click on this little wheel next to it and hit delete. Confirm your selection. Same thing with the other elements. Now this is my new navigation, and to add new navigation menu, simply click on pages and navigation. And to add a new menu, you can either add or create a new page, create a new drop down, or directly add a link. Let's start with add a page. Let's create an contact, or let's go with an empty page. Give your new navigation menu a name, for example, link. Then click on save. As you can see, my links menu is added in this list, and let's see it live. Now let's give the new drop down a test. Click on new drop down. You can rename your drop down. For example, let's call it more. Now I can add my blog menu inside this little drop down. Let's add also links below it. I need to place it just like that, a little bit, move it to the right side. And now let's view this menu live. Let's view it live. Now this is my new menus inside this drop down called more. Now let's test the add a link. You can name in navigation, for example, Instagram. I will link to an web address, which is instagram.com/bensexperience. You can select between opening this link in a new tab or not, make it no follow or do follow, and hide page. When you select hide page, this new link will not be shown in your main navigation. I will avoid hiding this page. Click on save. As you can see, my Instagram menu is added in my navigation menu, and this is how it looks like. And to reorder this navigation menus, simply go to pages and navigation, and you can simply drag and move your menus as you want. And always don't forget to save your changes. And this is how to add a new navigation menu in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.